Hi folks, I'm Kevin. This is Real World Natural Living, and on the channel here we kind of deal with stuff that is nature orientated, and also we look at some ways to get back to a more natural way of living. And of course one of those is gardening, so you will see some gardening videos on the channel here. And today we're talking about spinach and harvesting spinach and when it's ready to harvest and how to harvest it. It's going to be a quick video because there's not really much to it, but I'll get right into it for you so I don't take up too much of your time.
So this is what a spinach plant looks like once you let it grow and dry out. They actually get pretty tall once you let them grow. So if we look closer, you can see the little balls attached to the stems. Some of the spinach plants won't have these, and those aren't the plants that you want. You want these ones with the little balls because those are actually the seed that we're going to save. Now we're going to pull the plant out of the ground and add it to a paper bag or some other container that you're using. I like to put some white paper down so I can see the seed well. Now all you do is you just pick those little seeds off of the stem. And here's a look at what the seed actually looks like. Sometimes you'll get little bunches of seed, so you can just break those apart. And now we have a bunch of seed ready to store for next season's planting. And here's the seed that I bought compared to what I just harvested off the plant. And when saving your seeds, always make sure that you label the package as well so that you know exactly what you have. Although I didn't do that here, it's always a good idea to put the year down as well. And when storing your seeds over the winter, it's always a good idea to keep them in a cool, dry, dark place.
And so that's how to harvest spinach. Super easy, one of the easier ones to do for sure. I apologize for not having the, I guess it's the male plant, but the plant I had, that's the one you want to look for, the one with the little nodules or seeds on the stem. So it's that easy, you just let them dry out and then store them for the winter. And then that's, you know, you don't have to spend your money next year on new seed, because gardening can actually be pretty expensive sometimes. So of course you can always adjust how much you need to. If you need more seed than what I had there, then you just let more go to seed, and then you collect that and you'll have all the more next year and you'll save all that much more money. So that's the video. Remember the most important thing, folks, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.